Is your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra stuck at 80% or 95% while charging and not reaching 100%? Good news, your battery isn't broken. It's just a setting. Open Settings. Now scroll down to Tap Battery. Now look for Battery Protection. Tap it and you'll see a few options. If you want full charge every time, just turn Battery Protection off. Now your phone will charge all the way to 100%. If you still want some protection, you can leave it on and choose a mode. Basic keeps your phone at 100% but stops constant recharging. Adaptive learns your routine and finishes charging right before you wake up. And Maximum limits charging to around 80% for better long-term battery health. So if your phone isn't hitting 100%, this is usually the reason. And that's it. Thanks for watching till the end.